is a life hack that's going to make your life so much better if you ever go on a long road trip and your motorcycle does not have cruise control. Now what it's called, it's real simple. It is a cramp buster. It's called a cramp buster. It's a little piece of plastic. It allows you... Whoa! What the fuck? Hold up. Why is everyone... Oh, cuts. Come on. Why is this happening? Sun showers are great! I was trying to make a video about the cramp buster, but here we get the joys of a random sun shower, and it is over. No, it's not. Wait, we're almost through it. Sun showers are fun! Literally just came out of the blue. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The thing I love about Florida is that rain passes through so quickly. It's a beautiful thing.